Which country has the largest population in the world? India, China, United States. The answer is India. India surpassed China in 2023 with over 1.4 billion people. Which continent is the Sahara Desert located in? Asia, Africa, South America. The Sahara is the largest hot desert on Earth, covering much of North Africa. What is the capital city of Canada? Toronto, Ottawa, Vancouver. The answer is B. Ottawa is the political capital, even though Toronto is the largest city. Which river is the longest in the world? Amazon, Nile, Yangtze. At about 6,650 kilometers, the Nile is traditionally considered the longest river, though some argue the Amazon may be longer. Mount Everest lies on the border of which two countries? China and India, Nepal and China, India and Bhutan. The answer is B, Nepal and China. If you love what we do in this channel, please subscribe, like and share now. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? China, Japan, South Korea. The answer is B, Japan. Literally means origin of the sun. Which European city is divided by canals and often called the Venice of the North? Amsterdam, Copenhagen, Stockholm. The answer is A. Amsterdam has more than 100 kilometers of canals, earning its nickname. What is the smallest country in the world by area? Monaco, Vatican City, Liechtenstein. The answer is B, Vatican City. Which ocean is the deepest in the world? Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean. The Mariana Trench in the Pacific is the deepest known oceanic trench on Earth. Which South American country has the most Spanish speakers? Argentina, Colombia, Mexico. Mexico is in North America, but has the largest Spanish-speaking population in the world, over 125 million people. How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments. Now subscribe for more trivia every week.